Exercise 9.2, problem number 14 we are solving. This problem number 14 is on arithmetic mean concept. Arithmetic mean concept we have explained in the previous video. Here our question is that insert 5 numbers between 8 and 26. Between 8 and 26, what is the first term here? Here A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 26. How many terms we need to insert here? Insert 5 numbers, okay? Number of terms, that is n is equal to 5 here. You have to be careful. Next, such that the resulting sequence AP. Resulting sequence AP ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂಗೆ 5 ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನ 8 ಮತ್ತೆ 26 ಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, what is that formula we know? A1 is equal to A plus D. A plus D. A is known to us, but D is unknown quantity here. First of all, let me calculate D. Common difference D is equal to B minus A by n plus 1. This is the formula we need to remember. D is equal to B, 26 minus 8 divided by n plus 1, that is 5 plus 1. 26 minus 8, that is 18 by 6. 6 ones are 6 threes are. Okay, we got common difference D is equal to 3. Next, 5 terms we need to insert. First inserted term, that is A1 is equal to A plus D. A1 is equal to A means that is 8 plus 3 is 11. A1 is equal to 11. First inserted term is 11. What about the second inserted term? A2 is A plus 2D. A is 8. 2 into D is 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 8 means 14. A2 is equal to 14. Next, what about A3? A3 is A plus 3D. A is 8 plus 3 into D is 3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 18 is nothing but 17. A3 is equal to 17. A4, A plus 4D. A is 8 plus 4 into D is 3. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 8, 20. A4 is equal to 20. Next, fifth inserted term, A5 is equal to A plus 5D. A is 8 plus 5 into 3. 15 plus 8, 23. Therefore, the 5 terms required, ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವ 5 ಪದಗಳು, the 5 terms required are, what are those? 11, 14, 17, 20 and 23. Resulting arithmetic progression is 8, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20, 23, 26. This is about problem number 14 in the exercise 9.2. Now we will go to the next problem, that is problem number 15. What problem number 15 says? Problem number 15 is if A raised to n plus B raised to n divided by A raised to n minus 1 plus B raised to n minus 1 is the AM between A and B, then find the value of n. What they are saying here? They are saying that there is an expression A raised to n plus B raised to n divided by A raised to n minus 1 plus B raised to n minus 1 is an arithmetic progression between is equal to it is an arithmetic mean between AM between is AM between A and B. What is AM of A and B? Arithmetic mean of A and B is nothing but A plus B by 2. They are saying that A raised to n plus B raised to n divided by A raised to n minus 1 plus B raised to n minus 1 is equal to A plus B by 2, they are saying. If this question is 1 mark, for 1 more question, sir, there is no rule like we have to show how we did it. ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು 1 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. n ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತುಂಬ್ರಿ. n ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ತುಂಬಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು a raised to 1 plus b raised to 1 divided by a raised to 1 minus 1 plus b raised to 1 minus 1 ಅಂದರೆ a plus b divided by a raised to 0 plus b raised to 0, a plus b divided by a raised to 0, anything to the power 0 is 1, 1 plus 1, a plus b by 2. Yes, we are getting the RHS, therefore n is equal to 1 is the answer. N is equal to 1 directly we can write. But the same question if it is asked for 2 mark and 3 mark, what we should do? We should not go like that. That is trial and error method. It is not possible to go like that. We need to simplify this. This you simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, to simplify it, you cross multiply. ನೀವು cross multiply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 2 into a raised to n plus b raised to n is equal to a plus b into a raised to n minus 1 plus b raised to n minus 1. 2 into a raised to n plus 2 into b raised to n is equal to, first a get multiplies with these two, then b get multiplies with. Let me write that one. A into a raised to n minus 1 plus b raised to n minus 1 plus b into a raised to n minus 1 plus b raised to n minus 1. Okay, 2 into a raised to n plus 2 into b raised to n. A get multiplies with this. Bases are same, that loss of indices I told. A into a raised to n minus 1 is nothing but a raised to 1 plus n minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, a raised to n. Plus of, here base is b, it will be a into b raised to n minus 1. Bases are different, we can't multiply that, we have to keep this as it is. Next, b into a raised to n minus 1. Next, b into b, bases are same, power will get added up, 1 plus n minus 1 is nothing but a raised to n. Okay, this a raised to n and b raised to n, you take to the left hand side. 2 into a raised to n plus 2 into b raised to n minus a raised to n minus b raised to n, which is equal to this one, a into b raised to n can be written as a will be as it is, b raised to n minus 1 can be written as b raised to n by b. This is according to the laws of indices. A raised to m by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. That one we are using, that reverse we are using. A raised to m minus n is a raised to m by a raised to n. Means in place of a, b is there. B raised to n minus 1 is b raised to n divided by b raised to 1. Plus of this one, b into a raised to n by a, we are right. Okay, 2 times a raised to n, a single time a raised to n, it is nothing but a raised to n. Plus again b raised to n, which is equal to a into b raised to n by b plus b into a raised to n by a. Now a raised to n terms you take on one side, b raised to n terms you take on another one side. A raised to n take to the left hand side, which is equal to this b raised to n I am taking to the right hand side. A into b raised to n by b minus b raised to n. Okay, from first two terms a raised to n is common there. Take that a raised to n outside. If we take a raised to n outside, a raised to n into 1 minus b by a, which is equal to right hand side, b raised to n is common. A by b minus 1. Now a raised to n into cross multiplying a minus b by a, which is equal to b raised to n into a minus b by b. A minus b get cancelled. Here I have a raised to n by a, b raised to n by b. But what we want? We want the value of n. So n terms you write it on the one side. A raised to n, b raised to n I am taking to the left hand side, b raised to n. This a I am taking to the right side, a by b. A by b whole raised to n I can write, both have the same power. This is a by b whole raised to nothing is there means 1. See, left hand side is equal to right hand side is there. Bases are same. This implies n is equal to 1. Value of n is 1 here. Now we will go to the next question, that is question number 16 in the exercise 9.2. What is question number 16? They are saying between 1 and 31, between 1 and 31, m numbers have been inserted. M numbers have been inserted in such a way that the resulting sequence is an arithmetic progression. The resulting sequence is an arithmetic progression, and the ratio of 7th and m minus 1th numbers, 7th and m minus 1th numbers is 5:9. Find the value of m. Find the value of m. Okay, try to understand the given question. Question is between 1 and 31, 1 ಮತ್ತು 31 ಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ m numbers have been inserted. So this will be 1 and m numbers are a1, a2, a3 so on up to am. This comes under arithmetic mean concept. Between m and 31 means 1 and 31, last term will be 31 here. Okay, have been inserted in such a way that the resulting sequence arithmetic progression. That means arithmetic mean concept. The ratio of 7th and m minus 1th terms is 5/9. Before going to that, let me calculate a and d. Here a is equal to, here first term, that is a is equal to 1, and next, what about the common difference? Common difference is equal to common difference d, using that formula b minus a by n plus 1. D is equal to b 31 minus 1, n in the sense here m numbers they are inserting, n is equal to m. Therefore d is equal to, I have 30 by m plus 1. This is the common difference. Now we will come to the given. What is given? Ratio of 7th and m minus 1th term. Given 7th term by m minus 1th term is equal to 5/9. What is 7th term? In inserted terms you should write. 7th inserted term is a plus 70 only. Inserted terms it is not the arithmetic progression of the 7th term. Inserted term. And what about the m minus 1th inserted term? A plus m minus 1 into d, which is equal to 5/9. Now we need to find out the value of m. ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು m ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ a? a ಏನು? a is 1, write that. 7 into d we have calculated, that is 30 by m plus 1 divided by a means 1, m minus 1 will be as it is. Write d. d is 30 by m plus 1, which is equal to 5/9. Now simplifying it, we will cross multiply. M plus 1 plus 7 into 30, 210 divided by m plus 1 whole divided by m plus 1 will get multiplied. M plus 1 plus of 30 into m minus 1 divided by m plus 1. Numerator and denominators have got divided by m plus 1, m plus 1. So that m plus 1 get cancelled. We have m plus numerator, m plus 211 divided by this m plus 1 already get cancelled. This is m plus 1 plus 30m minus 30, which is equal to 5 by 9. Okay. We have here cross multiplying, otherwise you simplify this. M plus 211 by 30 plus m, 30m and this is m, 31m minus 30 and plus 21 minus 29, which is equal to 5 by 9. Cross multiplying. 9 into m plus 211 is equal to 5 into 31m minus 29. 9 get multiplies 9m. This is 9, 9, 18. This is equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 155m minus 5 nines are 40, 5, 4 carry, 5 twos are 10, 14. M we want. Take m terms on the one side, remaining terms on another one side. 1899. If it comes to the left hand side, 145, which is equal to 155m minus 9m. 1899 plus 145. Answer I am getting 2044. 155 minus 9m means it is 146m. Therefore, m is equal to 2044 divided by 146. 2044 divided by 146. Answer I am getting 14. Value of m is 14. This is about problem number 16 in the exercise 9.2. Now we will go to the next question, that is question number 17 in the exercise 9.2. Question number 17. A man starts repaying a loan. A man starts repaying a loan as first installment of Rs 100 if he increases the installment by Rs 5 every month, what amount he will pay in the 30th installment. Okay, here a question is that ಒಬ್ಬ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ರೀಪೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಲೋನ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಲೋನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ್ರಿ. ರೀಪೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಲೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ Rs 100 rupees. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 100 rupees ಅನ್ನ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು. ಇಫ್ ಹಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ದಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ Rs 5 ಎವ್ರಿ ಮಂತ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿನೇ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದಾನಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡನೇ ಮಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನ್ರಿ? 105 rupees means 105 rupees. This is amount in the second installment. First installment 100 rupees, second installment 105 rupees. What about the third installment? Third installment 110 rupees, fourth installment 115, like that he proceeds. Means now our question is that what amount he will pay in 30th installment. Amount in 30th installment is equal to question mark. Amount in 30th installment means A30 is equal to question mark here. What is A30 is equal to formula? An is A plus n minus 1 into d. A30 is A plus 30 minus 1 into d. That is A30 is equal to A plus 29 into d. A and d are unknown here. Easily we can calculate. Here A is equal to 100 and d is equal to A2 minus A1. 105 minus 100 is nothing but 5. Common difference is equal to 5. Therefore, A30 is equal to A plus 30 minus 1 into d. A plus 29d. A is 100 plus 29 into 5. How much is this? 29 into 5. 105 plus 100. Sorry, 145. 145 plus 100 is 245 hours. Therefore, amount in 30th installment. Amount in 30th installment is Rs 245.